So this is the plain text HTML document which we have retrieved from the website, and this is so clumsy and not user friendly. So I'm using BeautifulSoup library and converting it to a beautified document. After using the library, I've got this beautified HTML document, and this is easily readable and understandable. And I've got various divisions, and from this I'll locate the div and span that is needed for my project. So this is easy for me to handle, and that's why I'm converting. After I've downloaded all these packages through CMD to my computer's Python, IDE. Now I'm using it in my code, and first I've imported the request package, and I'm just requesting the URL to this package. Then from BS4 package I'm using BeautifulSoup. BeautifulSoup is a library that gives me a beautified data. First, at the start of project, I've showed you two HTML documents, right? So the one was a plain text document, other was beautified document. So BeautifulSoup just beautifies the document, and for our convenience, to make it readable, understandable, and to make it usable to our program, BeautifulSoup creates a beautified data. Now from player package, I've imported notification library, and this library will just give me a notification to my desktop. So first I'm defining a function for requesting data from the web. So from the web URL, so I'm getting data from the user. I'm getting this website from the user as an HTML data. Then I'm requesting the URL, the same, and I'm returning as a text document. Then I'm creating a variable soup, and I'm giving BeautifulSoup function, and I'm getting an HTML, beautiful neat HTML document. So I'm getting data and converting it into a BeautifulSoup simplified document. Then I'm creating two variables, temperature code and sensor of rain code. The first one is temperature code. I'm creating a current temperature variable, and in this soup, like in this data, this HTML data, I'm using a find all function, and HTML data will consist of lot of div spans. So in that, inside a span, I've got this current conditions temperature value. In that website, I've got this value. So in my document, I'm using a span, I'm using a find all function, I'm getting the data from the current conditions temperature value, and I'm converting it as a string and assigning to temp variable. So I've created two different variables, A and B, and I'm calling the index of this less than and greater than arrows, and I'm assigning it to A and B variables. Now in this temperature variable, I'm creating a string. I'm converting everything to a string, and I'm doing shading operation. Like from this greater than arrow plus 1 till B, I wanted the data. Like 38 degrees Celsius means it will lie within the greater than plus 1 till B. So I am getting the data, converting to string, and assigning to temperature variable. Now I've got the temperature data, and that is enough for my project. Then I'm going with the precipitation rainfall, the percentage of rainfall in Madurai now. So I'm creating chances underscore rain variable, and in the soup object, I'm using a find all function. I'm inside a division of HTML data. I've got this current conditions precipitation value. Now I'm assigning this, converting as a string and assigning it to precipitation value. Now I've got another variable A, and I'm calling the index of this greater than arrow, and in this index plus summon till the length of this string minus 14, I've got the needed data. So I'm creating another the same variable precipitation rain, and I'm calling the index of the same A plus summon till length of the rain minus 14. I'm writing the string and converting it. I would be having the same string, but for my surety, I'm just converting it to another string and assigning it to precipitation rain. Now I've got the data, I'm going to print the data. So to print, I'm using a result variable. So in this, I'm giving wordings like current temperature in Madurai is dash percentage of rainfall. So current temperature is, I'm giving the variable of temp, what I got from the website, and precipitation rain, I'm giving the percentage of rainfall, the same. And I wanted a notification to my desktop, therefore I'm calling the object notification. In the object notification, I'm giving a notify, and I'm giving a title for this notification as live weather update, and I'm giving the result as message, and I want this message to stand out for 10 seconds, and that is why I'm using time timeout as 10 seconds, so that my notification will stand out for maximum of 10 seconds, the live notification. So what we are doing in this project is we are just web scraping. Web scraping is getting data from a website through bots. Here I'm using Python as a bot to get data from the website google.weather.com. This is a Google's website. I'm getting data from this website and displaying it lively in my computer's desktop. So this is web scraping. I'm doing web scraping with Python and BeautifulSoup library. Thank you. So this is the output of our project, and we have got I've got the heading as live weather update. This notification is to my desktop. Now I've got 27 degrees Celsius of temperature in Madurai at now time 1:30. So there's 1% chance of rainfall till 1:30. I've got these details from the website and displaying it to my computer as live data.